I'm Amari.
I'm Buzz, and
We're
we're
talking
talking
camp.
camp. I always used to say like I didn't really get crew because I'm like I would as a camper I don't think that's something I probably would have did from my perspective at first. But talking to crew counselors, talking to crewies, like people all and even people around my age, they're always like, that was my favorite year. Like crew or E team, like it was my favorite year at camp. They always be like, you just have so much fun, and like it is what you make it. So you kind of like really get to see like you said like how camp runs and like be a part of that. And I think that's why people connect to it so much because you're having fun while also like creating those memories for campers.
Right, and you're helping set up for the party.
Yes.
Like there's a lot of stuff that kind of changes. Your bedtime's a little later. You feel a little older. Like you're around people a lot more. I think that's the first really big step into a community you get as a staff.
Mm.
But they're still camp. But they get a step into it of like, oh my gosh, I'm in a mixed group with people. I've been going to camp with these same people for the same weeks. A lot of people go the same weeks every single year. So you've already seen this person probably in LITs for 2 years, and now you're really getting a chance to be around them
Yeah.
and bond with them. Waking up early, I went you from 6 o'clock in the morning to 11 at night, and we're working together. We're not just like doing camp activities. We're working together. Like, we might serve together here. Now we on a hop cleaning. We're cleaning stuff. We're cleaning the plates, the cups out. You know what I mean? That builds something there. So I'm around you and I'm working with you.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. It's a different perspective from being like a regular camper because you're still a camper, but you're getting like I said that peer into inside like what it is.
Today, Talking Camp was sponsored by Music Research Center Cincinnati. A big shout out to Nick and Chris today. Thank you so much for letting us use your equipment.
And thanks to the kids and students of the Music Resource Center of Cincinnati for their contributions and viewers like you. Thank you.